In this tutorial I will show you how to remove someone from your Snapchat group. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. And then go over to the chat screen. Now on Snapchat you cannot remove a specific person from your group, even if you created it. If you tap and hold the Snapchat group chat, as you can see there is no option to remove specific people from your group even if I click more. But there is a simple workaround. You can block the people in the group. So what you want to do is tap and hold their name. Then tap on Manage Friendship. And then you can tap on Block. And that will block them, and any message that you send to the group chat will not be available for them to read and respond to. You can also tell other people in your group to do the same thing and block that specific person. There is another way by creating a new Snapchat group chat and do not include that specific person in that group. To do that, you can tap on the blue icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the people you want to add to the group and create the group.